just keep supporting local artists. It's very important to us.
The Downtown Tavern is one of the most beloved entertainment venues in all of Jackson, and today, the meeting site for our next artist, country singer Will Burton.
My name is Will Burton. I'm originally from Trenton, Tennessee. Played music here in Jackson a lot. I'm a country singer, dabble in Southern rock, traditional country, honky-tonk stuff. I was 19 when I bought my first guitar and taught myself how to play. And from there, it just kind of progressed. I've always been obsessed with music. Even when I was a kid, I just never had the talents to go along with it, but I taught myself how to play guitar, and then I started singing a little bit, and everything just kind of snowballed from there. Some of my favorite artists, Merle Haggard, be up there at the top, Willie Nelson, Waylon Jennings, Keith Whitley, Greg Allman, Toy Caldwell from the Marshall Tucker Band. The list is a mile long. Just that kind of small town vibe is what I enjoy the most about playing around here. People are friendly, and the traffic's never too heavy like it would be in a bigger city, you know. I mean, we have good crowds and very supportive people, but it's a little more chill and a little more slowed down, and that makes it a whole lot more enjoyable for everybody, I think. Shows are always just a blast, especially with the guys I play with. They're all so talented, and they make every show memorable for me. We were playing a show actually a couple of weeks ago at the Tap, me and my band, and this wasn't the beginning of the show. We were about 3 hours into it, so the people that were there knew what kind of music we played. We were playing old country and Southern rock and stuff like that. And this girl came up to the stage, serious as all get out, and asked us if we could play some Flyleaf, and that tickled me pretty good. I had to turn around. I didn't mean to turn my back on her, but I got to laughing, and I didn't want to be ugly to her. So, but stuff like that happens all the time, you know, funny stuff. And I ponder on things that have happened, and, you know, ideas start popping in my head, and then I don't know, lines come to me, man, but it's all, everything I write's relatable to me. I can't push out generic songs that mean nothing to me. It has to be meaningful to me, and that makes it a whole lot easier, man, writing from personal experiences. I think everybody, to an extent, struggles with their own mental health problems, and, you know, whether it be depression or whether you're grieving, you know, mourning the loss of somebody you care about. But yeah, my granddad died a couple of years ago, and me and him were really tight, and music was about the only thing that helped me keep my head about me after he passed away. So the song we're doing today is called Riding for a Fall. It's my newest single. It's the title track off my EP that'll be coming out sometime this year. I wrote the song. Evan Mayo here in Jackson produced the song. Will Young played guitar. Shannon Cook played steel. Evan played drums and bass. Had a really great lineup of musicians playing on the song. Wrote it about a heartbreak, as most country songs are about. And we were really proud of it, man. We're really looking forward to the EP coming out this year. On my second pot of coffee, Sunday morning coming down. Raindrops on the tin roof make me wish that you were still around. And I thought that I had found myself, but it seems that I am lost again. Your leaving has led me back to a place I thought I'd never see again. That sign says we're open. Come on in, grab yourself a seat. Pour me a tall glass of your best whiskey so I can get back on my feet. And And as the jukebox plays a sad song, I hear him holler for a last call. I'll be alright for now, but I know I'm riding for a fall. Cocaine breath and bloodshot eyes are all I have to show from last night. And a sore throat and a spinning head, still blinded by the lines. And what's left of an old picture frame, shattered on the floor. But I can't stand the thought of being alone, so I walk back out the door. And that sign says we're over. Come on in, grab yourself a seat. Pour me a tall glass of your best whiskey, so I can get back on my feet. And as the jukebox plays a sad song, I hear him holler for a last call. I'll be alright for now, but I know I'm riding for a fall. I'll be alright for now, but I know I'm riding for a fall.